you hold your breath, your mid back will be really tight like that. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Want to go push back? Good.
Oh, yeah.
Let's play.